Hi guys and welcome back to Crypto News. I'm your host Crypto Chester. In today's video we are talking about ICP, Internet Computer. Okay, this was a very interesting launch a long time ago, and this thing absolutely exploded before descending down to the absolute dirty depths of the Red Sea. Okay, we saw this thing at literally a $27 billion market cap, and then it absolutely cascaded down with so much momentum to the downside, frankly settling around a $1 billion market cap. And since then we have seen heights of around 8 billion, 6, 7 billion in different runs, and right now we are seeing a bit of a spike up. Now the spike up in terms of the update today is very interesting because we are breaking lower highs from previous price action here, which is very interesting in comparison to the rest of the market. So we're going to look into why this is pumping, how this is pumping, and how we can make some money trading this thing. Okay, so you can see here that ZK Sync Dash and Internet Computer lead altcoin rally with double-digit gains here. And that's obviously very bullish. And just a little lowdown on what Internet Computer is. The Internet Computer blockchain incorporates a radical rethink to blockchain design powered by innovations in cryptography and provides the first world computer blockchain that can be used to build almost any online system or service, okay, including demand, web, social media, all that good stuff. Okay, so it's a very big system, and this is why it got such a lot of funding at the start, and why it basically opened up at that $26 billion market cap, and then it just basically declined from there. Now in the last month, it's actually up 13%. In the last week, 64% and counting. This thing is growing here compared to the rest of the market. Very bullish. And in the last 24 hours alone, 35%. How high can this thing go? With the rest of the market dumping down, it's only right that people put their money somewhere, right? And if ICP is the one that's pumping, then a lot of capital will be flowing in because of that. Okay, so market cap currently at $2.82 billion is ranked number 33 or 33rd here in the cryptocurrency race right now. Can it actually climb higher than that and get to the likes of Toncoin and Polkadot and Mantle and these other big assets out there? Personally, I do think it can. It's currently just hovering around the crap tokens, if you can say that. Okay, you obviously got like a Pepe and Near, which isn't doing much. Meme Core, that's not doing much. World Liberty Financial as well. They're all sort of mid coins that have kind of settled around that area. They haven't got that much to show. Now ICP is in that area, but if ICP is going to continue its rally here, we could even see a double in that market cap, which would put it at $5.6 billion market cap, all the way back up to the Crow, the Tau, the Dot, these sorts of levels. Okay, and just about Monero. Okay, very achievable in my opinion. Let's go over to the chart and let's see what we're looking at, okay, to see how we can basically make some money trading this asset. Before we do that, guys, I do want to talk to you about some news that's come across my desk regarding the next big pre-sale. Okay, the next big pre-sale launch. It is best token sale ending. So the best token sale, as you guys know, it is basically the next big crypto non-custodial Web3 wallet here. They've got their own Visa MasterCard that's coming out. They're basically a massive competitor to MetaMask, hundreds of thousands of users already, and they're in a pre-sale phase. They've raised $16.8 million. This pre-sale is coming to an end on the 28th of November, okay? So not long at all, guys, less than a month before this thing launches, and the gains really start to come in. We're looking for a 10 to 100x on this asset. I'll leave the link in the description for you guys to go and check that out. They support 60 different chains. They've got their own mobile app. They've got their own Google extension. It's looking like a really good home run. Full disclosure, I've bought into this. I've got bags into this pre-sale. I'm very excited about this. You guys can go check it out for yourself and obviously go do your own research. It's not too late to jump in. All you need to do is connect your wallet, Best Wallet, MetaMask Wallet Connect, or Base Wallet, Ethereum, Solana, BNB, and a couple of other stable coins as well they do accept. Now let's get back to ICP and let's see where this thing is going. So looking at the daily chart here, you can see that we are in what is commonly known as a breakout scenario here. Okay, the trend line would be very clear, very obvious here, something along the lines of this. As you can see, we do have our high and then rejection from that point. Testing, 4, tests along this area of resistance, and then finally one more test, and then the break came into fruition here. Pretty hard to predict from a trading standpoint here, because you can see it just basically exploded here. Even here, you're not really going to be longing this asset around this area. It's basically still below resistance here, yeah, it's just not a very smart trade there. It's not very clean confirmations of what we would actually be looking for here for a lovely move. But that is not saying the move is over, okay? It's saying that there is still room for growth here. Let's see how this all lines up. You can see we do have a nice bit of confluence here, which does give us a measure move. Now, the measure move for this asset to predict the growth of how high this thing could be going here is going to look something along the lines of this. So it basically means there could easily be another 18% left for this thing to run, which again, very, very bullish indeed. Let me know what you think of that in the comment section, guys. Super intrigued to know your opinions. But first, I do believe that we probably will see some sort of pullback here. You can see in the last sort of few hours, we have sort of steadied and had a bit of a dump city here. Nothing too crazy just yet, but momentum is slowly down. We've got bearish engulfing candles galore here. It's doji stars. You can see generally the momentum is slowing down to the upside here. Maybe we test highs one more time, and then what I'm looking for here is the break of the 21 EMA, and then we're going to come down. We're going to be testing some major moving averages here. If we break the 55, then we will be definitely seeing a nice little drop down to this previous high, which is the 3.5% move. Very easy trade there, guys. Definitely something to be looking out for here over the next sort of day or so. Let me know what you think in the comment section. As I said, go check out Best Wallet, guys. This, as I said, it's ending very soon. This is the one to make the gains. Okay, obviously not financial advice. Do your own research. That is going to be it from me. Peace out for now, and I'll see you in the next video.